everyone, happy Sunday. Thanks for tuning in. Today I got a really cool piece. So I am using some of the colors that I did in the previous video last Sunday for the commission piece for my hairstylist for her salon. She still hasn't seen either piece yet, so I wanted to do this piece to give her two pieces to choose from, or she could take both. But I wanted to kind of do a chaos kind of a pour and use the hairdryer because I haven't used my hairdryer for a pour in a long time. It's not going to be a Dutch pour, but it's just going to be chaos. I'm going to lay out the colors in a crazy fashion and then blow them out. So let's get down the canvas to get started. I'll be right back. The other painting I did a base of the Diox purple. Today what I'm going to do is do a blowout using the same colors, but I wanted to make the primary color a lighter color. Now what I'm going to do is kind of like a chaos pour, except I'm just going to blow everything out. So let's see here. Let's start off with some of the lighter. And it doesn't matter how thick or thin I make the lines. So there's some of that. All right, I'm going to use some Payne's gray. Don't have much of that left. Let's go with the darker Diox purple. The black. And I think with this one I'm going to do is a little bit of swiping after I blow it out. Here is the pearl color. This is the pearl blue and violet mixed together. Some silver. Let's come back in again with some of the light. I think I like a little bit more of this black. Some Payne's gray again. Okay. I think I got enough silver on there. I got enough of the dark purple. Yeah. All right, let's see what happens when I blow this.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. all. It's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car. You saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends. So you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody.
What I want to do now is, this would be how it would get hung. So now I got to determine where I want to put some swipes with the cell activator. Maybe a swipe kind of through here. Gosh, I kind of like it the way it is. I don't know if I want to swipe now. It's so stormy looking. I love it. I don't know what to do. You know what? I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to leave it. All right, I am not going to swipe this because the cells are happening all by themselves, so I don't need to touch it. I've got a great mixture of all the colors. You see the light purple, the dark purple, you see the Payne's gray, you see the silver, which I'm really happy about, and this pearl mixture of blue and violet. That's going to show up as well. So I'm gonna clean up the edges. I got some little sides and stuff to get covered, and then I'll bring you guys in. Don't forget to scrape your sides. I had a comment asking me, why do I do this? It's because if you don't scrape it, the paint is gonna continue to flow over the side of your canvas, and it's gonna keep pulling the paint off. It's not gonna pull it that much, but I don't want any of this stuff to disappear. All right, here we are with the wet result. I am very pleased with this. As you can see, it's selling up, so I do not need to do any swiping with the Australian Floetrol and titanium white mixture.
But maybe I should have known. Guitar. So you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should have known.
Okay, we'll see this one is dry. All right, everyone, that is it. So the painting is still wet. I painted it the same day that I painted my painting from Wednesday. So they're both still drying. I'm off to work. So once I get back from work, I'll show you the dried results. In fact, I have a lot of dried results to show you guys because I keep forgetting to put them in the video. So I promise I will get all of the dried results in the next video when I come back. All right, everyone have a great rest of the weekend. I will see you next week. Bye-bye.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body.